Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to backup and restore WhatsApp messages. Simply at first open your WhatsApp. This method will work on Android and Samsung phone. Press on three line, you get setting option. Open your settings. Click on to chat option. Scroll down, showing you to chat backup. Google account to select, continue, select daily, and finally press on to backup. And once it complete to 100%, then successfully backup and restore your WhatsApp message.